Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is LGS. So today we're gonna showcase. I got the EM rifle 60. One word, I love this. I tested on a bot and it's really powerful. So today we're gonna bring it to the arena. I switch it into these EM rifles. So yeah, let's go. Go to the control point. So I see I can do infinite time. Like usually with YouTube we have limited time, like for one video for 15 minutes. Oh, this is not bad for Ian. Oh, there's a player though. Should I use it? Yeah. So what am I gonna say? Oh yeah, usually YouTube has like a limit for 15 minutes. But now there's like no more of that. Okay, please don't hit me. They're freaking arachnos. I hate arachnos. They just like block me. And the freaking, you gotta be kidding me. What the? I know it's a sword. I always knew. When you come out, I will use the EM. Dang it. I miss. I hate EM rifles. And I'm using them against the others. Stop! Oh, we actually got him. Come on, man. Oh, I got him. My YouTube dash. Dang it. I can't even showcase my video when this guy is literally killing us. He's not even as strong as me. My search is like 1,000,000,000% stronger than him. He got nothing on me, baby. Oh, F! Gotta be kidding me. I just want to use the EM rifles. And these motherfuckers try to block me. Stop! Bang! Where is that surge? What the heck is that? Yeah, kill him. System crash. Yeah. Look at this. Yeah, stop! I hate those guys. I hate it. Why? Why you always want to do this? You play your voices. You play your mother effer. Skyscraper. Dang it! Sorry guys, I'm on rage because on this pussy. I'm sorry I said that word. Come here! How do I got stasis when there's no stasis barrier? Not even. I was trying to showcase the EM rifle and this motherfucker was break. I will kill him into the A. He know. I might need to. Good thing that's not 5v5. If that's a 5v5, you know that guy is 100% dead in the next one. Cause don't mess with me. If good thing that's not 5v5. If that is 5v5, when I lose the one round, I will go rampage mode. And I am saying, do not mess with me when I'm on rampage. When I on rampage mode, I can get killer series. But now it's a control point, but there's nothing we can turn back. Hey, my EM rifle is 60 as well. Good enough for you. Another EM rifles. How many are there? Quintuple building. Oh, is that down there? Okay. I'll follow you. If you get target, I'll put on my barrier. can see. Should I use it? Yeah, sure. Oh! See those back damage, bro? Who the heck is that? My powerful method. Good neck! Oh, smart. There. What the? Oh my god, the EM rifle. There's only 2 stars.
We're losing the lead.
Oh, Sassy Baka, aka the player, I think. Maybe not. Just maybe. No. On this. Be careful on myself. Sassy Baka, yep, that's a player for sure. Sassy Baka. Where's the player? Step down. Yes. Oh no! Why? Why always me? You gotta be kidding me. Okay. Oh, bash. I'll protect this bash. Okay. Now I'm gonna say everything I need to say.
We are running out of time.
In the next battle, I'll use search. And if I use search, there'll be no play. 100%. Usually it's like that. There's no way.
You have 2 minutes remaining.
I just used $19. So freak! I swear no. I used effing $19 to buy an EM rifle to make me stronger, and these push. I hate this map. I hate it. You know what? How much time we spent? 8 minutes to death. Gas rifle, don't think it's good enough. Thermal lens. Every time I don't feel with it. Thermal lens, get the 15%. 15%, but 50% of damage. Time. I hate control. Who's this guy? I don't want to invite him. Alright. This is gonna be a close range match. My luck is now going downhill. When I was filming a video, for no reason, my luck is from up to down really quick. I don't know why. It's none of you guys' fault. It's none of you guys' fault. It's my fault. It's my luck and my build. I hate it. $100%. This is gonna be lost. If this is not lost, I will effing.
1, go. Get out of my way.
Effing you. Good thing this is Jerry. He thought he could get away if you killed him. But you can't even get away. Because I got 50. freaking Surge. If you would try to kill he's doing this. Oop, I can actually die. Back up to here. Quite a little bit hard to use the end rifle in this scenario. I hate it. Good thing this is a 5v5. I would use my freaking Surge to kill him. If I was angry, max level angry, and the microphone find out max level angry. Because when you do that, you actually you could face some consequences along the way.
2, 1.
Oh, that's a one shot.
Smackdown.
So as you can see, how powerful is the EM rifles. It can one-shot anybody in his battleground. Except for me. I got a 2-star, so that's why it won't one-shot anybody. Yeah. Got me. I hate losing. But sometimes I do want to lose because... No, I'm 100% dead because of my connection issue. What in the world has happened to my internet? You know what? Let's stay real quick. I'm gonna go up here. Why? Should be giving more internet for me? Yep. That's true. Let's take it back. Like shadow. Ah! Why? I got S. Damn! Who's that? Come out, come out. I'm moving around. Every time! I hate it! The air rifle is kinda a little bit hard to control. But if you manage to control it, it's worth it. 100% if you manage to control it, it's gonna be worth it. Oh! You know what? Block. What the? What is this? How did I get 6? It's not fair. Every time, bro. Every time. I always get the assist. Oh, no! But what? How we win? We didn't. Is it good enough? Is Jerry already? Did he just leave or FK? What the heck did Jerry even do? Is he AFK or something like that? Yeah, just got it. Thank you, Jerry. When the world is Jerry? What happened? I think he leave because of my EM rifle. Alright, finally! After 14 minutes, I got my MVP. Oh! It's very hard to use, but if you manage to know how to use it, it's gonna be powerful. It's all about the timing, because... Excuse me? Excuse me? It's all about timing. If you don't time it correctly, you'll just... See ya. You'll just miss. And you're gonna be embarrassed, just like me. Just miss a freaking easy target, like a shadow or something like that. Not really a shadow. The shadow is a little bit hard. Right, but first I'm gonna check out Jay. Interesting enough. That's why he's not strong enough. He needs to use Surge in the next round. Because if you keep using Surge, you're gonna win every match. Because Surge is powerful. Do I even need a skin? Sure, I guess, but nah, I don't really want the skin. I want this cookie skin more. Just spend some of my coins to get this thing to like 7. Nah, I'm not stupid. So that's about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I got extremely bad luck. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like on this video. See you on the next video. This is LGS saying goodbye. Goodbye.